What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're passing your funded accounts. I hope you're getting payouts. If not, I would suggest watching this video very carefully and to the end. Take notes because you definitely don't want to miss out on what I'm about to show you in this video. And yeah, so yesterday's session, I've managed to capitalize on this big flush here, resulting in me making 7.5k copy trading all of my 5xFA accounts on TopStep using my bread and butter strategy. And yeah, in this video I'll be breaking down how I entered the strategy so in the future you can capitalize on this move too. If you haven't already watched my last video unveiling my breakout strategy that made me $20,000 in a month from payouts, then I would suggest watching that video before watching this so you understand the trading model that I use. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the breakdown. So here we have our New York Open at 9:30 Eastern time or 2:30 UK time. Make sure you want to be on a 15-minute time frame, and you want to mark up the second candle after the open. You want to mark up the high, and you want to mark up the low. So you want to let this candle close before you set your buy stops and sell stops. So once the candle closes, we want to set our buy stops above here, and then we want to set our sell stops below here. So as you can see, we got triggered into the short here, and I have my stop loss just about 2 points above. We can see on this candle, the high of this candle is 20,657. So you want to make sure you have your stop loss at 659, as that gives you a little more room to let your trade play out before you get tapped out and then it goes in your direction. And we definitely do not want that, because we're trying to make money here. So yeah. However, in some cases when the stop loss is too big, let's say this candle, this candle here, this candle's high is here, and your stop loss is about 78 points, which is a lot. You could also trade this, however, just manage your risk, manage your exposure, reduce your sizes, and you could potentially add more as it goes down. However, I like to go in with one big size, so I would usually have my stop loss just above the highs here, and if you did, it would have been good as well. Yeah, so have my stop loss just above here at 59, and I managed to catch this move all the way to down here. I could have easily held more. This would have made me at least 20,000 across all 5xFAs. That's 100k. I could have made 100k here if I held. So I'm kind of being out myself from that. But yeah, this is the trade breakdown. This is a very simple strategy. This is all you need. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Trade ICT, SMC is very confusing, and it'll just mess you up mentally, and it'll mess up your trading performance. However, if I know some people that trade ICT, SMC, and it works out for them, good for them. However, it's just not my thing, and I like to simplify things so that way I have a clear mind. So we're getting to the end of the video here. I know this is a relatively short video. However, I just want to go over a quick trade breakdown on how I made 7.5k trading on my 5xFAs. And also I wanted to go over my strategy on my first video that I made. This video just shows this strategy works and it plays out. Obviously some days, not all the time. Not every strategy that you trade will have a 100% hit rate. There's no holy grail. However, you can always have an edge, and this strategy has given me that edge. And if you backtest this strategy, and you'll see for yourself, this strategy has allowed me to capitalize on these big moves. However, I could have held more here. I could have held all the way to 300 points. I would have made at least 20k times 5, 100k across 5. However, I'm being up myself for it right now. But you know what? I'd rather have regret like this in profit than regretting my trade go back to my stop loss or break even. So yeah, so I'm happy I took profit here. Always take profit. Never let your green trade turn red, and add to your winners, never to your losers. I like to add aggressively to my winners and never add to my losers. I never DCA into my losers, as that will just make your losses much bigger than it needs to be. However, if you add to your winners, you will maximize your profits. And yeah, adding to my winners has allowed me to maximize my profits. And yeah, if you like this video, please comment down below on what you would like me to go over, I do have a couple more strategies within my model that I will go through. However, I just want to see a little bit more engagement before I do so. If you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you trade the strategy for yourself and how it's played out for you. And yeah, I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.